The Supreme Court, in a landmark decision Tuesday, said that the president should be trusted to declare martial law and should have the sole discretion on its scope. The SC ruling said, quote, the Constitution grants him the prerogative whether to put the entire Philippines or any part thereof under martial law. It adds, quote, there is no constitutional edict that martial law should be confined only in the particular place where the armed public uprising actually transpired. 11 justices voted to uphold President Rodrigo Duterte's declaration of martial law in Mindanao. But Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio says martial law should be limited only to Marawi City, while Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno and Associate Justice Benjamin Cagioa voted to limit martial law to the provinces of Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao, and Sulu. Associate Justice Marivic Leonin was the lone dissenter in the High Court, siding with the petitioner's bid to nullify Proclamation 216. Leonin, in his dissenting opinion, says, quote, we should have the courage to never again clothe authoritarianism in any disguise with the mantle of constitutionality. Armed Forces Chief Eduardo Año and the Philippine National Police Chief Ronald de la Rosa earlier indicated that they would recommend the extension of martial law in Mindanao, which is supposed to end July 22. In support of National Disaster Resiliency Month, Rappler will hold the first ever Agos Summit on Disaster Preparedness from July 7 to 8 at the Samsung Hall, SM Aura, Taguig. The summit will gather disaster management experts, stakeholders, and volunteers to talk about how we can all be better prepared for climate change and disasters. Tickets are limited, so register today on agos.rappler.com.